Climbing can be hard, but it's the most rewarding thing many of us have ever done. It takes us to places of incredible beauty, and it challenges us to find untapped reserves of strength and resourcefulness. It's easy to think that if you can walk, then you can hike. Well, with that attitude, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment. The number one reason that people find hiking so hard is basic lack of knowledge and physical fitness. Arriving at the top of a hill, puffing and panting is not the best way to enjoy the view you've worked hard to reach. However, there is a solution, and I can help you with that. In this video, I will help you in preparing for your hiking activity, the basic things you need to do and bring if you plan to hike. Disclaimer: I am no expert in hiking. All of the information I am discussing in this vlog are subjected to correction. This vlog is merely for output purposes. Pre-climb meeting. A pre-climb meeting and orientation is a gathering held prior to the actual climb, and which climbers discuss the climb. Many climbs coordinated by former organizations required participants to hold a pre-climb, and this practice has spread even among independent hikers. The pre-climb contains the objectives of the climb. The objectives of the climb determine the level of your preparation. Is it minor climbs, major climbs, training climbs, to name a few? When hiking, you have to have a route plan, which basically tackles all the aspects involved in bringing the team safely and efficiently to and from the backcountry. You also need to create the itinerary of the climb, which basically a detailed breakdown plan of the journey to be undertaken. Budgeting is also important in pre-climb because it determines the approximate cost of transportation, possible lodging, meals, and other expenses. Meal planning is also important in the pre-climb because it determines the amount of food to be carried on an expedition. It is determined by the length of stay in the wild plus extra rations in case of emergencies. Hiking and backpacking safety. When you begin thinking about a backpacking edition, start carrying a pack containing equipment and food, and see how far you can hike around home. And don't avoid those hills. You'll build strength and condition the stress points where you build your body, hips, shoulders, and collarbone area. Backpacking demands extra work of your muscles, so they grow more capillaries. It may sound complex, but the bottom line is simply empowering. The more you backpack, the more your body can produce energy. There are ways to ensure that your body is fit to hike. To get a better shape for the hike, you have to start cardiovascular training and muscular strengthening training. If you don't have access to such training facilities, there are also ways to get those trainings for free. There are video tutorials from professionals available on YouTube. In camp management, we will learn how to minimize the impact. The hikers and backpackers' mantras are: if you pick it in, pick it out, and leave only footprints, take only memories. Backcountry sanitation. One of your most important responsibilities in the backcountry is to avoid polluting it. And this is especially true of water. In a place you plan to hike, you must practice proper sanitation. The leave no trace principles of outdoor ethics. Number 1, plan ahead and prepare. Number 2, travel and camp on durable surfaces. Number 3, dispose of waste properly. Number 4, leave what you find. Number 6, minimize campfire impacts. Number 6, respect wildlife. Number 7, be considerate of other visitors. In camp management, you will learn the do's and don'ts and the signs and signals for communications. Equipment for hiking and backpacking. These items should be on your hiking checklist. When choosing what type of bag you should use, consider the following: day packs, external frame packs, internal frame or soft packs. Here's your climbing checklist.